अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में हम बीएड कोर्स कोड 8626 क्विज़ क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे कि किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं और आपके लिए ये वीडियो बहुत हेल्पफुल होगी। आपने वीडियो को फुल वॉच करना है और अब मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है वो 8626 का है। चॉक एंड वॉक मेथड एम्प्लॉय इन डैश। करेक्ट ऑप्शन मॉडर्न मेथड ऑफ एजुकेशन। माइक्रो teaching is a dash technique. Correct option training. Dash method of teaching involves storytelling. Correct option repetition. Offering education to children with special needs such as blind, deaf, mentally retarded at designated educational institution is correct option special education. During British era, there were two types of school governed by British government: Anglo-Indian school and dash. Correct option School of Bengal. Dash is the lowest level of Bloom's taxonomy. Correct option evaluation. Dash is someone who interpret or expound Islamic law. Correct option Mufti. Dash are supposed to reach out their schools for supervision and guidance of primary school teacher. Correct option learning coordinators. Bachelor of Education b.ed is a dash program. Correct option pre-service teacher training. Field-based training FBT program is a dash teacher training program offered in and around the area of Gilgit-Baltistan. Correct option in service. Helping student on every step of life is correct option guidance. Dash is someone who has profound knowledge of hadith and teacher by narration or storytelling. Correct option Muhaddith. Maulvi is dash word for teacher meaning master. Correct option Persian. Generally, dash cover teaching skill, solid pedagogical theory and professional skill. Correct option teacher education. Plato discussed fundamentals of curriculum is his book dash. Correct option Republic. Master of Education (M.ed) in Educational Planning and Management (EPM) is an example of dash. Correct option subject specialization. Sportive co-teaching mean. Correct option one member of team take leads. The duration of period in micro teaching is correct option 20 to 30 minutes. Step in micro teaching plan teach dash replan reteach and feedback. Correct option feedback. Reflective practice helps teachers to plan teaching effectively. ICT stand for correct option informational communication technology. Teaching diversified group of learners is in a mainstream classroom referred to correct option cooperative education. Example of attitude explained in ADVIS Advanced Model of Hashim 2008 include correct option acquiring new knowledge. According to NCTE- is a program that is related to the development of teacher proficiency and competence. Correct option community education. Mode of teaching is flexible in correct option formal learning. According to USA system of teacher education, following trends is considered. Correct option collective participation. In service, training is offered at correct option PIT is ES. Dash is teaching method is one-way channel. Correct option lecture method. Refresher courses are example of. Correct option continuous professional development. Students are being assessed on what they are expected to. Correct option teach. Is the correct part of KIPS reflective cycle. Described analysis discuss. Education m.ed is a dash-year degree program to prepare a pool of educational managers, leader, administration, and researchers in specific area of education. Correct option A 1.5 years. Annual Confidential Report ACRS is tool to evaluate teacher performance. Next question. Pre-service training mean. Correct option before job training. The dash basis provide insight to the student teacher about the implication of various schools of philosophy. Correct option philosophical. The lexicographical meaning of the tabligh is to. Correct option C spread. I hope this video will be informative for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more information. Thank you.